we're scared because of the unknown. We're scared because of the unknown. But we aren't putting the images into the unknown so that we don't feel scared. That's the real reason we're scared, is because we're not participating anymore. We're allowing everything from our gadgets to everything to take over our ability to create and manifest. This is why we're nervous. This is why we have anxiety, is because we're losing that ability, and we need to stop and we need to take it back now. We need to step into what we want to be able to do inside of us and be reconnected to our original reason for being here. Like I had mentioned in a couple of videos now, is that there's an overshadowing reality that's overshadowing the real reality. And it's trying to get you really, really dependent upon them. And you need to be a free thinker and pop out of that and be sovereign in your own right. And we became comfortable. We became comfortable in letting somebody manifest for us, to create for us. And not only that, we ended up being comfortable in our own dislikes, and we didn't do anything about it. And that became a hypnotic trance in society where we got hypnotized. Everyone talks about their dislikes in society. They talk about what they're not getting. They're talking about their victimization. They're talking about all of this stuff, right? And we all got hypnotized by that. And this is one of the reasons why I got into hypnosis, was to find out how the hell we were doing that to ourselves. Because I knew innately that we were gods manifested in human form. And what the hell were we doing sitting here talking about limitation, talking about all of this stuff, when there's a whole other magical consciousness there that we could be stepping into? What the hell's going on here, right? You know, I popped in, I kind of seen that.